right off. I'd like to think so, yeah. So what we're cooking, 7 or 8? Or 5? Yeah, yeah. Another 2, yeah.
Don't forget to wiggle it and jiggle it.
Just a little bit.
You filming that, Dave?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Hang on. You say. I'm going to say I'm going to put 3. Yeah.
A extra litre of fuel ain't going to make that much difference, is it?
Well, it's a kilo.
Yeah, I know. Like I say, it's not going to make that much difference.
Well, I have had 2 bacon rolls as well, so
Oh, wow.
yeah. Mind you, I can shift the centre of gravity before I go out.
Of course you could.
You're going loose. Okay. That's my legs. Oh, why is it so cold?
It's summer.
England. This is England. England killing it by the pound.
The home of liquid sunshine.
Keep getting caught on that post as it put the wipe on stuff rollers. Did you get that guy's name from yesterday, Dave?
Which guy? No, I didn't. I ought to have done. Never even thought about it.
I was wondering, you can ask the question, can I?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know what?
Well, we can
Right.
do it like this. Yesterday at Cadwell, a guy turned up and spotted me and Steve and the bike. Just get in touch with us, will you please, if you watch this video? Yeah, please, get in touch.
I want to stay out of the way of the exhaust fumes.
Yeah.
Oops.
Keep doing that.
Crazy, man.
Why do you keep doing
Right.
that? Nail it there.
Look, just go straight. The answer.
That would be the answer, but it's nailed there.
Yeah. Flat tyre wet.
Sunday morning, just going to make sure the bike starts all right.
It's a lot easier. Like post train. grand now.
This is the Vintage Japanese Motorcycle Club. So we've got some nice little bikes here, so we'll just have a quick peek before we go and see John and Steve. 404. That's nice. Isn't it? It's even got all the little stickers on, look.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. Well looked after. Can't say anything about that one. That's 250. That's a nice little bike. It's nice. Fender. That's lovely. Ah, nice bike over here. Not really vintage or Japanese. It's the beast. Don't get a few nice bikes over here. Some Japanese and some not. Oh, there we go. This is the start of the 350 race and other bits and bobs.
John had a good start there. He's gone from last on the grid to 11th. So obviously the bike's going okay.
Steve getting the petrol out of her. Now the master.
We perfected a new start line technique.
Yeah, if I stand there and watch him.
No.
What's he doing?
What he was doing was holding the front brake and the throttle, just letting the clutch bite.
Yeah,
So says, what are you using that one for? Why don't you use that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look what happens.
I know, it was a good start. Yeah, very good.
Down to 156s now.
Really?
Yeah.
What was, where did he finish in the end?
9th.
Yeah, but there was 3 500s in front of him.
I don't know, he finished 9th overall.
Oh, you did? You did?
Yeah, 9th overall.
We thought it was 8th. Because somebody stopped in front of him.
Oh, we could easily have got confused.
Yeah. Looking warm now, mate. Sue said, is it hard work riding a bike round the circuit?
Oh, season bikes for somewhere.
Oh my God.
Well done, mate. Good start.
Good start, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what you've been fucking about all
Oh,
these
no,
years.
neither do I. I've been in a different planet.
It worked. I thought and I videoed it. I was videoing that way, and I got my phone that way.
Oh, right.
See it both ways.
Oh, brilliant.
So hopefully.
That was a good start. I mean, never mind the launch. I mean,
Yeah, it was. But it was nice that you just you weaved your way through, and I was like sort of because I couldn't see because I was stuck with where you could see me at start.
Yeah.
And I was like, all right, okay. I'll count them through. So as they started to come through, I was like, oh, fucking hell, John. That was 11th.
You couldn't see him go up Coppice, could you?
No.
He carried it on.
Yeah.
Just carried it on.
So it looks like he's handling it. Tyres are good.
Lee Gourlay says to me, what have you done to that?
Who did?
Lee Gourlay.
Did he?
Yeah,
Did you say we built it?
There's nothing, just built it as Mr. Yamaha intended.
I mean, you wouldn't believe how old that tyre is.
It doesn't matter, it's looking
No.
good.
No.
It's not chopping up, so obviously suspension's good.
Yeah, exactly.
Scarborough
Yeah.
made it new though, didn't
Yeah, but it didn't take many minutes for it round here to chew it up again.
No.
Vibration?
No. I think you're right. It was that pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that would have been the first thing you come back and said, it's still vibrating.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you didn't think about it, you had to think about it.
I consciously had a little thought about it whilst I was racing, thinking I'd normally feel a lot more vibration. I think it's not there anymore. I think, and I was going down to Mansfield.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, Derek was slow, wasn't he, on that 250? He were miles behind, wasn't he? Yeah.
I thought he was on the 250.
Huh?
I thought he was on the
Yeah. He had number 6 on, didn't he?
Yeah.
But I mean, I went past him. I think I'd coming out of Charlie's. Oh no! I did him at Mansfield. That's right. I'm always passing him there, down on the inside, every time. I've been around the outside of him there and all sorts. But that guy, that guy who was holding me up yesterday. I knew what he was like.
Yeah, so you just did him.
I did him that park corner.
Bombed him.
Yeah, bombed him. Proper bombed him. Yeah.
Good.
I was bloody miles back, and I thought, well, I've got to do him now, otherwise it's going to be another lap.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I just didn't brake until right there. And as we're going up into that 100-yard marker, he went,
Yeah. Hello. It's me.
yes, me, bye.
Yeah. Today is not your day to get in my way.
Magnificent, mate. That's brilliant.
Good.
Brilliant. Felt so much power and so quick.
The chain's not been catching on the pipe or anything, John?
Is it not?
No.
No, brilliant. Just makes you wonder if we'd have repaired them pipes back in 2018, where I'd have got.
Yeah.
There you go. Whatever.
That's
That's
lacing.
Pipes won't put it on an R5.
That's lacing, right?
Yeah, that's lacing, boy.
Brilliant.
At least it's going in the right direction. Your times are coming down.
Yeah.
And your times are coming down and you're going up the grid.
Yeah.
I mean, I said to Steve, I said, what did you finish? He said, 9. But there's 3 500s in front of you.
Yeah. Yeah, so 6 in class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we saw. I mean, there might be another one up there as well.
We might have got a bit confused with him with what.
Yeah. It gets very difficult and very confusing once everybody starts lapping everybody.
Yeah. No, I think I'll have to do the September meeting here with HR.
VHR.
Yeah, September, isn't it? I'll have to do that one.
That's
I mean, I'm now
So overall, you're very happy.
ecstatic.
He's ecstatic, Steve. He's ecstatic.
In the words of the Spaniards, I am super happy.
He's super happy. Good. Rightio. So that's the end of the meeting.
Yep.
John's more happy than I've seen him for a long time. Stevie's happy because the spring stayed on.
Yeah.
Spring has sprung, the grass has riz.
Yeah.
We know where the springs are now.
Yeah.
So everything's gone well.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Bike performed faultlessly.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
So-
absolutely superb.
So that's it for today. So we'll say goodbye. Say bye-bye, Susie.
Bye-bye, Susie.
Bye, John.
Bye, John.
Bye, Steve.
Bye, Steve.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.